Hey, what's up, SaaS Masters? My name's George, and today I want to show you FreshStock. Now, FreshStock has a bunch of assets and templates that you can use. All these are editable, and I'll show you those in this video. Now, if you guys want to grab a great deal that's going on right now, please check that link in the description. It helps me with a small commission, and it won't cost you a single cent more. So let's jump over and check out FreshStock and find out if it's something that you need or you might need later on. So let's get on over there. Alright guys, this is FreshStock library, and I want to show you what I dislike and like about FreshStock, because at the end of the day I want you to decide if it's good or not for you. Now I will start off with something I dislike, because that's the first thing that we're going to see in this dashboard. And the thing that I dislike is that they don't have clear categories to search. So for example, this is a dashboard. We got a nice search bar right here, and if you search for something you're going to find it, but I wish they had categories. So we got explore fresh themes. So you got these right here: indigenous, popular, music, and that's what you got. Browse by asset type. So you got icons, backgrounds, web pages, patterns, and fresh new designs. But you don't have categories like, for example, cars, animals, buildings, backgrounds. Well, backgrounds is there, but you don't have like a drop down that makes it easy for you. So I wish they added that, because I mean, that's really important, because sometimes you don't know exactly what you're searching for. So you might be thinking, you know what, I'm searching for this certain type of background with a dark background, right, instead of a light background. And I wish you had those categories there to make it easier. Well, let's search for something right here. For example, let's search for a cow. Let's see what they have in cow. And this is what you get with cows. And let me show you what you can search. So basically, no categories here. So it's not like cow is a variable of animals, and you will find animals as a category, and you can click on it. It's not available. You got most popular and recent ones, and you got the asset type. So you got templates only or vectors only. So that's what you get with this. Let's search for something a bit more popular. For example, now let's search for buildings. All right. Let's see what we get with buildings. This is what you get with buildings. You will get a mix of templates and vectors, but like I said before, we can change that to, for example, vectors only. And I will be downloading two of them, a vectors and a menu, a template, to show you that it's what's capable when editing with it. So let's get a really nice looking one. These are pretty simple ones. Let's go to page 4, see if we find something more cool. Hey, that guy looks from The Simpsons. Let's see, this one right here. This one looks nice. Okay, let's open that one. And this is what you get. So it has a watermark on it, because you won't be able to unlock it unless you download it. But yeah, that's available in the deal. So you can save this to collection. You can request, you can download assets, and you got these little categories right here. Like I said before, why don't they add those categories when you download, when you search, or before you search, right? You got some similar assets. So let's download this one. And it gives us 3 options. Well, 4 also. You got all assets, JPG, PNG, and EPS. Now, if you don't plan on editing, JPG is all right. And if it's like a transparent background, then PNG. But if you plan to edit, like I'm going to show you in this video, then you download this one, or just all of them. So let me download this one right here. Let's get that one done. Let's open this one. Well, let's actually open it with my options right here. So I'm going to open it with Adobe Illustrator. Now you can open this with a free version on the internet, so web-based one, just in case you want to edit it, in case you don't have Adobe AI. So let's wait for that to open, and I'm going to show you how that actually looks when editing. Like, the cool part about it is that you can edit everything. Everything you find out, you can change colors, you can delete, you can move. And why isn't it opening? Okay, there we go. Okay, so when we open these vectors, we have the options to edit it. So at first off, for example, if I move this, I'm looking at the background, right? I can command undo, but we could change the color of that one. So for example, I can change the color to a little bit blue. All right, so I can change that. I can remove this little lady right here. So basically at the beginning, everything is grouped because you don't want to move around a lot, but we can ungroup that. Okay, let's click on the lady now. Okay, now we have the lady right here. We can move her from a different position. So for example, we can put her there under the bee instead of top of the bee, or over here sitting on the beach. Just kind of position her right. But let's just say you want to get rid of her, right? So we just delete her. Or what if we want to edit her, all right? So we just zoom here. Let's ungroup her again. And now let's click, for example, on this bikini, and we can turn it into a, for example, a blue bikini, a pink bikini, make it a little bit more flashy. Also the bottom right here. basically you can see that everything's editable. So that's pretty cool. And this one also. Okay. Change that to pink or get rid of it, and everything is editable. So it's pretty cool that you have all those options. Again, we can get rid of this, we could change the pool color, we can get rid of the background, just everything's editable on those vectors. This is not an editing video, but I just want to show you that it's capable of just moving everything around just in case you like something specifically from here and you don't like how it looks from downloading it right away. Maybe you want to change some things. So that's also capable of with, for example, a template. And for that, I'm going to search for menu. And you got a bunch of menus right here available. So you got all these available. You got flyers, menus, and all that good stuff. Again, if we want to do this with templates only, since I searched for menu, it's going to show more templates than assets. So I'll grab this one. This one looks nice. Let's download this one. And again, we're going to download the EPS. All right, let's save that. Let's open it in AI. All right, here it is. And it's going to search for fonts. In this case, I don't need it to for in this video. So let me bring it down here. And these don't come with images, but we can edit everything right here also. So for example, this is lower ipsum. We can change that if we want. Let's click on it. Let me go a little bit there. Okay, that's that right there. And we can say this one is a soup, right? And you can change the other one, you can change prices, and things are editable. Now, as you saw right there, it doesn't come with images. I'll try one more just in case another one does come with images, because I mean that's what makes it look nice. Let's grab this one right here, this coffee one. Let's download EPS. Oh, EPS right here, start downloading. Let's check that out. So that's something that you have to consider, that they are not coming with images. So let me open that one. All right, and again, no images, but you do get the menu to edit. So it makes it easier, right? You just drop in here your images and you're ready to go. I added that by mistake. But everything's editable, editable, and easy to move around. And it saves you time because you have now an assets and a template library right here. So you get all that with this deal. Well, basically, I wanted to show you all that just to see you find out what you get. For example, you got web pages also. Use these as web pages. Let's go back. You have backgrounds. You want some flashy backgrounds. Now, these are nice looking. I've seen these backgrounds when you search on Google, but they have that watermark. So having these available to grab is really nice. And you get that with the deal that's going on right now. Some Halloween backgrounds, you get those there. And basically, this is more of a vector and templates library. This is not an image or video library, right? Well, there you go, guys. That is FreshStock, and you got a glance of what you can get with this. And basically, if you are into design and you want to save time and basically just edit everything that's available right there, you can do it by downloading the EPS. Well, thank you guys for watching. My name is George, and this is SaaS Master. I'll see you guys later.